What you're watching is an online cleaning of multiple production lines inside a 100% export-oriented manufacturing facility. The challenge: metallic dust mixed with machine oil caked across a sea-enclosed production line. Conventional methods had failed. Standard chemicals didn't clear their safety protocols. Before approving us, their technical team studied our chemistry, long-term effects, material compatibility, impact on product integrity. We cleared every bar they set. Every step executed within their facility norms and safety protocols. No disruption to production, no compromise on compliance. Production lines that had resisted every previous attempt, cleaned, clear, and back to specification. Facing a similar challenge in your facility? We don't just clean, we clear the technical bar first. All contact details are in the description below. Reach out, we'll take it from there.